Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robe Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark, and welcome to your Subscriber's Choice. This is for the first week of May. May is upon us, and this is where your vote basically dictates what this nose is going to sniff. Now, it is Subscriber's Choice, so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, much appreciated. It's a prerequisite. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to check your comment, see if you're subscribed to me. I don't really care. You comment, you comment. This is the designer lineup, mostly top sellers, and I sprinkle a few that I'm interested in. It's a mixed bag. Some are older samples, things like that. The winner of the last one was the one Luminous Night. It just destroyed the competition. No other fragrance had more than 10 votes. It had a whopping 42 votes for it. So obviously you wanted that one. Update, that video hopefully is going to be this weekend. I've been testing it, so thank you to the ones that voted, but let's see if it's going to be a little more fair this week. As per usual, we have one new entry versus 4 returnees. If you are new to this channel, new to this video, basically what this is you got 5 choices. They're all in front of me. Your comment is a vote. One vote, one comment per YouTube handle. That's it. If you got several YouTube handles, congratulations. You can have more than one vote on those different, of course, YouTube handles. If the comment doesn't make sense or I don't know what your vote is, it has to be clear. I'm not going to chase you. I'm just going to ignore it. The vote starts as per this video launches, and I usually shut it down within 48 hours. So I'm going to shut this one down. I'm thinking of releasing this on Wednesday. So it's going to be Friday. It's going to be shut down. Now let's take a look at the 5. We're going to start with the 4 returnees and then of course the noob. So the first one is EDP Intense, a 2023 release. This one has been on this list since I've started this Subscriber's Choice. It's in its 12th week. Rapion's the nose, so an established nose. That's always a good sign. However, it's for the line of Y by Yves Saint Laurent, which is a line that is super underwhelming for me. I haven't found one that I can actually like, even just a little bit. So we'll see. Maybe this one is going to change my mind. Rapion has done some pretty bad fragrances, but some great ones too. Beside that is his partner in crime. It is from Dolce & Gabbana, and it is from the Light Blue series. It is Light Blue Summer Vibe. So the newest one. Also in its 12th week. So these two have been sharing the spotlight on the subscriber. They just don't want to go. So Marius is the nose. Talking about All-Star Perfume, Marius is the nose behind that one. I'm starting to put money on that this sample is still going to be in the Subscriber's Choice when the 2024 Light Blue, insert name here, is going to come out, which is coming up shortly. It is going to be coming out. A new light blue is going to come out because they sell well. So I'm assuming another one is going to be coming out. Next, beside that, is another freshie. It is Armani's freshie for the Code line, which I believe it is. It is called Code Colonia. This is on its 9th week now. Another vet in the lineup, but not as veteran as the other two. This one is another great nose. Antoine Maisondieu penned this one. I believe it's going to be a fresher take on the original Code, which wasn't really that dark to start with. So I'm really actually interested in seeing what this one's going to be. It might be actually really, really good. It didn't sell well, obviously. Armani likes to discontinue fragrances that don't sell well, which I'm assuming that one did not. Beside that was a newbie last week. We had 2 newbies, obviously the one Luminous Night that moves on and gets reviewed. And this one from Jean-Paul Gaultier was from their Scandal lineup. No, not the women's aisle. Scandal pour Homme eau de toilette. So it's on its 2nd week. This one has 3 well-known noses attached to it. Renault, Biche, and Graciasetto. I wonder if this one's going to get that Biche treatment, that Tonka Vanilla Fog. I'm assuming it probably will. It does have caramel in the note breakdown, so it might be a good gourmand. We'll see. This sample is filled to the brim. Actually, all these samples from myfragrancesamples.com. That's where I got it from. If you want to know, I probably paid a hefty penny for these, but yeah, these these have been actually pretty good for me. And lastly, the Noob. It is from the brand of Tom Ford, and this is the one they call Grey Vetiver Parfum. So the newest Grey Vetiver release, and that one is obviously the most marked scent out of this lineup. If I had to pick one, if you blindfolded me and said, you know, which one would you want from these 5? Obviously I'd pick that one. It is the one that I would put money on, that I would probably buy a bottle of, the first one. If I had to buy it blindly, it would be that one. That's a given. But again, testing is, again, you shouldn't discriminate just because it's from the Y line. It might be really, really good. It might be discontinued. The code Colonia might be really, really good. It might be a summer flanker that just lasts a year. This one, Summer Vibes, might be really good. You never know. But this one, I'm really excited on testing, and I was kind of debating, should I put it in the niche high-end lineup because it's much more expensive than its counterparts here. Well, it's getting close, but yeah. But anyway, those are the 5. The Noob, again, from Tom Ford. We got Jean Paul Gaultier, Armani. So we got a nice mix of, I feel, summer and there's not much darker scents. Well, I guess Scandal would probably be the darkest one of this if I didn't guess. So there you have it. There's your 5. Again, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much to everybody that subscribes to the channel, hits like, and comments down below. The comments can be just as simple as the name. I put it in the description. If you don't know what I'm saying, mon français, il est canadien, so peut-être French people from France are like, you say Jean-Paul Gaultier funny. But yeah, it's all in the description. You can copy paste it, or you can give me a description of the ones why you're voting for. I always like to see that. But thank you very much. Have a good one.